friends, it's Ali, and in today's video I have a special collaboration that I'm hosting. This is our last collab Friday for the month of October. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have not had a chance to check it out, I will put a link below to my beautiful YouTube sisters playlist link videos and also their channels. Please check them out, let them know that I sent you. We have given you many decorating ideas, and today I'm going to give you a little bit more and also like a mini home tour. So starting with a mini haul, I was looking for a beautiful mirror and I was able to find this one here. It was $229 from Hobby Lobby, but it was 50% off, so that's always a great deal. Before we go on, I want to thank my beautiful YouTube sisters for collaborating with me. I'm truly appreciative to have you, and I cannot wait to do this again for Christmas time in December. So we hope you guys will join us. This is our Home Decor Luxe Club, and this was a Vlogtober series, so stay tuned for Vlogmas coming up in December. So as you could see, I saw a plethora of beautiful mirrors, but I ended up getting the one that I showed you because I thought it would be perfect for my kitchen. So you're going to be seeing how I used the mirror and also this beautiful little stand that you will see in just a bit. So now we're starting with a little bit of the decor. I have to admit that this year was a little bit late for me decorating because we did have COVID. Our family got COVID, unfortunately. Not to worry, we're all better now. But this is my little coffee station. I didn't do much. I just wanted to do a little bit simple yet elegant, have my syrups on there, a place for my mugs, the teapot, coffee and sugar are in those white containers, and a couple of those little bowls for whatever it is treats we have, and also the pumpkin inside of it, and the watering can for my hubby. He uses it daily, so I did not want to remove it. I don't want to mess up with that function for him. Those little baskets are from Target. They are beautiful, but I found them at the thrift shop for half the price, so not a bad deal. And the little canister is a Ray Dun canister, and the florals I already had. So most of these items you've already seen in a haul. I'm not sure if you've seen the beautiful Beauty and the Beast porcelain or ceramic figurine in the middle. I added that recently, just a few dollars from the 99-cent store. And the beautiful containers on either side are from Home Goods. They are so beautiful. Mostly everything here is from Home Goods, with the exception of the plates that you see on the wall. And those are from the 99-cent store for $1.29. That's a great way to put a little bit of background on your white background. And I thought it was beautiful. Everything is meshing well. The colors, there's different textures. I really love to mix and match textures, and beautiful gold metallic accents. Those are my favorite, white and gold. And I did end up taking, well, my husband rather took down the doors of this cabinet because I felt that it was occluding some of the beautiful items. And so I am looking for a new piece for this area, but until I do, this is what I had to work with. And then I also bought these Hello Pumpkin. I always like to place a beautiful towel here just in case we need it or if there's any spills. This is my little bar cart area or snack station or whatever it is we want to put in here, and I love it. I always have my Jesus sign, which I always love having there, but here it is more of a functional space, so I did incorporate some of my canisters that we use, some syrups, and a beautiful piece of decor in the middle with that beautiful water globe with the coffee inside of it. And as I said, this is meant to be functional. So I'm putting all the things that we're using for the holiday time for the fall, like the syrups and the cinnamon powders and things like that. This is my beautiful 3-tiered tray or stand that I picked up from Home Goods. Here is that beautiful mirror that was perfectly placed in the middle by my hubby. Thank you, hubby. Thumbs up for him. And this is a beautiful cabinet piece that I bought from Ross, very affordable. I thought it was a great deal, $79.99. I'm not sure what it's called. They're calling it a console, but it is gorgeous, and I'm finally ready to decorate. I've had it for like a month or so, maybe 2, and as soon as it came out, I had to have it. It's just so beautiful, and you guys know when I sing, I really love something. So friends, what I decided to do is place these beautiful decanters at the bottom because I feel like the glass is going through so you can't see much, so I thought they would better fit down there. Now this beautiful cake stand is from Home Goods, $16.99. I'm placing it at the top here because I feel like it's more noticeable, and I'm pairing it up with these beautiful plates that match as well from Home Goods. Like I said, white and gold is my color. I love it, and Home Goods does a great job at bringing out those gorgeous pieces. You've already seen this before. I used it on the tablescape, but now I'm using it here on the little console, and I added that branch from Hobby Lobby, and I think it just looks so fabulous. Another beautiful piece from Home Goods, and another one of these closed, which I already had these from a couple of years back, I think, but they are beautiful. Everything on this video is in a haul somewhere, by the way, with the exception of the mirror and the console, but everything else is there. But if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the description box. By the way, please remember to check out my beautiful YouTube sisters down below. As I said, this is our last video for October, but we will be back, God willing, in December. So now I'm placing this other little cake stand and these gorgeous bowls, also all from Home Goods. And $4.99 is a great deal, I think, for this beautiful design. They are sure to wow your guest. Very luxe looking for on a budget from Home Goods. This little serving dish was $19.99. It has 3 little bowls where you can serve either condiments or whatever it is you want in here. They are gorgeous. When you have small spaces, you have to be creative, so I decided to place them behind the tray because I will be using it probably most likely during Thanksgiving time. And I did add these beautiful little bowls, also $4.99. These are the things I'll be using, and rather than putting them away on a box in the garage, I decided to display them here, and they look beautiful. They're in the waiting for Thanksgiving season, and I thought they were perfect to just leave them here, display them, and they look so beautiful. Some of these I got on clearance, as you saw there, for $4.50 for that little bowl, and the teapot is gorgeous as well. I realize this tablescape is a little bit over the top for some of you, but this is what I love, and I think it's gorgeous. So beautiful. That pumpkin in the middle, I did not haul. That little 3-stacker ceramic, that was from the at-home store for $35. I believe I had a coupon, so it came out to be like just under $30, but it's beautiful. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live well, healthy, happy, and organized. Many blessings, and stay tuned for many more videos coming up, and I will leave the playlist link down below for my beautiful YouTube sisters. Thanks for watching, and thanks to my beautiful YouTube sisters and all my beautiful friends. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Enjoy the rest of the video with music. Thanks for watching, you guys. you stayed this long, thank you so much for watching. Please come back for our December 1st, which is the first Friday that we're starting our Vlogmas collab, and that will be every Friday for the month of December at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We hope you guys will join us for Christmas decorating ideas, a little bit of New Year's, and all the fun decor ideas that we have in store for you.